Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag's technology tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code, VS Code. So prerequisites are there, Visual Studio Code install. If Visual Studio Code is not installed in your system, then go to your download for the Visual Studio Code. This is the URL for the downloading the Visual Studio Code. And we need the GitHub account. So create the GitHub account if you don't have the GitHub account. So this is the URL where you can create the GitHub account. And next we need to the GitHub Copilot subscription. Copilot is paid, so there is you can use the trial version and check the GitHub Copilot pricing. Okay, so in this these are the prerequisites are there. So next we are going through the step-by-step process setup process. So open the VS Code, launch your VS Code Visual Studio Code editor. So this is my system. Here I am just opening the Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is already installed. You can download an easy way to install. There is not a big thing to install. So install is done. So I am able to access the VS Code. Now next, I'm going to click the extension icon in the sidebar, or you can press the Ctrl+Shift+X, and there is a search for the GitHub Copilot. So go there. Here you can find the extensions. So click on that and type of the Copilot or GitHub Copilot. So GitHub Copilot, we got it. So click on this and click on the install. So installation is in progress, and we have to connect the GitHub account with the Copilot. Next, after installation, we need to sign up the GitHub to use the Copilot. Then accept the permission and subscription. Then use the Copilot. And in last, we can disable or enable the suggestion. These are you can use for the Copilot behavior setting, custom setting. So our Copilot is installed now. You can able to see there is installed. So now click here and configure the. Let me connect with the Copilot. Just click here. Continue with the GitHub. So click with that. So it will open browser. So here just put your email address. So I am using the my email address and password. So click on sign in. So you will get a OTP. Okay, verification code. So just check with your Gmail address which address you are using. So I got that one 2413009. Okay. So sign in as a in Chirag, and you have option continue. So click on the continue, and here is the trying to open the Visual Studio Code. So click on the open. So this is connected now. You can able to see. Okay. Now how to use this? Just create one new text file. Okay. So text file, and there is an option to just open with the control. Okay. I'm just closing this one chat, and this one some smaller size. Control plus. Okay. So there is a open chat. Control plus I. So Control plus I. My default language is English. So GPT 4.1. This is accessing. Okay. You can change if you want. I'm going to ask to the Copilot. So here create a HTML page for login with Bootstrap, and I'm using also font awesome w awesome with best design. Okay, just click on enter, I asked the create a HTML page with the login, bootstrap, and this one with the best Copilot font awesome with the best design. So it will automatically write, see all the things, and there is a, you can able to see bootstrap is added, font awesome is also added there automatically, and this is completed. In last you can able to see this. So just click on accept. So this is created, HTML page is created. So Control S, I'm going to save this page. Just save this page in desktop. Just put index.html or any name you can give. So okay, so HTML page is created. Now let me open this page. Let me check. See, there is a login page created in few seconds. So like that we can create the registration page. So just I'm creating one more file. For example, file new, and Ctrl+I, create registration page in HTML or any language you can choose as per your requirement. HTML with bootstrap and font awesome add-on. Or you can write anything, okay, as your requirement. And if you want to file upload also, file photo upload, photo up, upload also, okay. So click on enter. So this is start writing, see. So there is a bootstrap and font awesome, and there is a these are the class. So bg light, container class, row class, if you know the this one. So click on accept, and you can able to see all the codes. And last there is a bootstrap js file also included. So Control S, and this one .html. Any php also you can create. So go to the desktop, open this. So see, there is a file upload is also included. After some time, if you feel that I want to add some more data, okay, so just add Control X, Control I, keep this data, and write in down. Also add gender and state, city, country, 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 and captcha code. Okay, just assume that I'm going to add some more. So this is going to be start writing. If you go there, so start writing, you go automatically this will write. So you can minimize your time and you can write the code as per your requirement, but you have to know basic knowledge about that, how the bootstrap is working, and how what is the column mid 6 this thing. So completed. Now accept this, so you can get like this. So registration page is changed now. So let me refresh. So there is just you can able to see male, female, gender is country is selected. Some of the country this is given, and file upload, and there is a captcha code. Okay, captcha is also included. So you can refresh the captcha. You can able to see there is a captcha code. Or see, there is simple captcha, generate captcha, and there is a JavaScript which also written there, and captcha text in, and you can able to see this. And just like in middle of the page, if you want to add something, just like before captcha, I'm going to add Ctrl+I. Here I'm going to add mo mobile number and only allow numeric with 10 digit only. Okay, so 10 digit only. So this is written, accept this and check the code. So this is a mobile part. let me some smaller size. This is a mobile part, label mobile, and here you can able to see mobile number and placeholder 10 digit number only. Required pattern should be D10 and max length is 10. Input type is numeric only. Okay, so mobile number invalid, 10 digit mobile number, and here there is some JavaScript. It will check the mobile number and it will give you the valid or invalid. Just let me refresh this page. So mobile number is added. Okay, so now here I'm going to add 222, and if you click multiple time also it will allow on up to 10 digit only. And if you want to try to type the any character, it won't allow. See, I'm just typing a D and anything else, and special character also it won't allow. Okay, so why this won't allow? Because I'm adding there only for the numeric. Here also the form event generator submit also. While I'm checking this should be 10 digit number. So just like I'm giving it 3 digit and just click on register. Okay, this field we have to submit, then only we can get. So this is done. And if you working with the any other project just like Laravel and Java and anything, so you can able to use the your Copilot. So in next video I'll show you the how to use the Copilot with the my Laravel. So in this video we have learned how to set up GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code and step-by-step process. So go through that and just use the Copilot for the smart coding. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.